Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct, and in this video I'll be giving you some top application tips and my favourite application technique for the Osmo Polyx Oil range. Preparation is key, so if you haven't already seen the pre-application Osmo video, check that out now. For small projects, the ideal application tool is a high quality blend brush such as the Osmo Soft Tip brush. For large open spaces such as floors or interior cladded walls, the ideal application is an Osmo Floor Brush. It gives you a great level of control and helps limit overlap marks. So we're ready to apply. Stir the tin thoroughly before and during application for consistency. Load the brush and dab off any excess. Apply a thin first coat in manageable areas, working with the grain. Now remove the surplus with a microfiber cloth and leave to dry. Once dried, take your finishing pad and lightly sand the finished area. Apply a second, final coat as the first, working with the grain and making sure you remove all excess after application. Do you need further technical assistance or advice on your project? Why not put us to the test and give us a call? Links to all the products used in this video are in the description on YouTube. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future content.